Welcome to Englishify. Hotel booking mistake.
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Miller, John Miller.
Good evening, Mr. Miller. Can you spell your last name, please?
Miller. I booked a double room for 3 nights.
I see your reservation here, Mr. Miller, but there is a problem.
A problem? What happened?
I'm very sorry. Your room was given to another guest.
Given to someone else? I have a confirmation number.
I checked our messages. We thought you were not coming.
Not coming? My flight was delayed, but I called the hotel this afternoon.
You are right. I see your message. This is our mistake.
I've been traveling for 10 hours. I'm very tired. What can you do?
I understand, Mr. Miller. Let me see what we can do.
I really need to sleep. I have a meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Okay, let me check availability for you.
This is very disappointing. I've stayed here many times before.
I apologize again. We value your loyalty. I have a solution.
What solution?
We don't have a double room, but we can upgrade you to a junior suite at no extra cost.
A junior suite for the same price?
Yes. Also, we will give you free breakfast for all 3 mornings.
That's better. What about tonight's rate?
Tonight is free. You only pay for the next 2 nights.
Okay, that's fair. I appreciate it.
Thank you for understanding. Here are your key cards. Room 412 on the 4th floor.
Thank you. Where is the elevator?
Just past the sitting area on your right.
Got it. Anything else I should know?
No, that's everything. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you for fixing this quickly.
You're welcome, Mr. Miller. Have a good night.
Which bus should I take?
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me understand this bus map? I want to get to the library.
Of course. The library? You can take the M1 or the M2. Both go there.
M1 or M2. Okay, good. How much does the bus cost?
Do you have a Metro card or a bank card?
I have a Metro card. I bought it at the subway station this morning.
Perfect. Just swipe it at the reader when you get on. It costs $2.75.
Swipe at the reader. Got it. Do I swipe again when I get off?
No, only when you get on. Buses in New York use one swipe only.
Oh, that's different. On the subway, I had to swipe in and out.
Yes, the subway is different, but buses are easy.
Thanks for explaining. How will I know when to get off at the library?
The bus tells you each stop. You'll hear library. You can also check your phone with Google Maps.
That's helpful. About how long does it take from here?
Maybe 15 or 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
One more thing. You said M1 or M2. How often do they come?
Usually every 10 minutes. Look, the display says the next one arrives in 3 minutes.
Perfect. I can see it too. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Are you enjoying New York?
I love it. Everyone is so friendly and helpful, just like you.
That's great to hear. Have a wonderful time at the library.
Thank you. You made my day easier.
My pleasure. Enjoy.
Check-in problem.
Good morning. I'm checking in for flight UA 512 to Los Angeles. Here is my passport.
Good morning. Let me check your booking. Can I have your booking number, please?
Sure. It's ZQ452L. The flight leaves at 10, right?
I can't find a booking with this number. Are you sure it's correct?
Yes, I'm sure. I booked it 2 weeks ago. I have the email on my phone.
Okay, can I see the email, please?
Here it is. It says my flight is confirmed. I can't believe this. I have a meeting in Los Angeles at 3 p.m.
I see. It looks like your booking was canceled last week.
Canceled? Nobody told me.
The system says there was a problem with your payment. They sent an email, but maybe you didn't get it.
I didn't get any email. Can we fix it? I need to be on the flight today.
Let me check if there are any seats left on this flight.
Please, this meeting is very important. I've been preparing for days.
Good news. We have one seat left in economy.
I'll take it. How much is it?
It is $480. I can book a new ticket for you right now.
That's expensive, but I don't have a choice. Please book it.
Sure. Can I have your credit card?
Here you go. Will I have enough time for security?
Yes, security usually takes about 25 to 30 minutes now. You should be fine.
Thank you. I'm sorry I got upset before.
No problem. I understand. Here is your boarding pass. Gate 14B. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Gate 14B. Got it. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Have a good flight and good luck with your meeting.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
Taxi fare problem.
Excuse me, sir. I think there's a mistake with the fare.
What do you mean? The meter shows $45.
But the hotel said it should cost about $25 to get to the shopping mall and back.
Well, traffic was really heavy on the way back.
I understand, but this seems too much. Can you explain the charges?
Sure. The base fare is $4, then it's $150 per kilometer plus waiting time.
Waiting time? What waiting time?
You asked me to wait outside the shopping mall for 25 minutes. That's $12 extra.
Oh, I didn't know waiting time would cost that much. Nobody told me.
I'm sorry, I thought you knew. It's standard. I should have mentioned it.
I would have taken another taxi back if I knew. This is very expensive for me.
I understand. Look, I can make it a bit cheaper. How about $35 total?
That's still a lot, but okay. Let's say 33. Thank you for being reasonable.
You're welcome. Sorry for the confusion. Next time, ask about waiting charges first.
I will remember that. Can I pay with my card?
Of course. I have a card reader right here.
Great. Here's my card.
Thank you. The receipt will print in a moment.
Thank you, and thank you for explaining everything.
No problem. It's important to understand these things when you travel. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoy your time in New York.
Finding the train platform.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm trying to find platform 5 for the train to Boston.
Of course. Platform 5 is over there. See the signs? Walk straight and turn left.
Thank you. I was so confused. The announcements are hard to understand.
Yes, they can be difficult, especially if you're not used to them. Are you visiting New York?
Yes, I'm from Texas. This is my first time here. Everything is so different.
Welcome to New York. How long are you staying?
Just 4 days. I want to see Boston and come back. Is the train ride long?
It's about 4 hours. You'll see nice countryside on the way.
That sounds great. One more thing. Do I need to print my ticket or can I use my phone?
Your phone is fine. Just show the QR code to the train staff on the train.
Perfect. And which carriage should I go to?
Check your ticket. It should show the carriage letter, like A, B, or C.
Let me see. It says carriage D, seat 18.
Carriage D is near the middle of the train. Look for the letter on the platform.
Middle of the train. Got it. What time does boarding start?
The train leaves at 11. Boarding usually starts 10 minutes before. You have time.
That's a relief. Can I buy snacks on the train?
Yes, there's a cafe carriage. They have sandwiches, drinks, and coffee.
Wonderful. Thank you. You've been really helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip to Boston.
I'm excited. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a safe journey.
Exchanging money.
Hello. I just arrived from Europe. I want to exchange euros for dollars.
Welcome. How much would you like to exchange?
200 euros.
There's a $5 service fee. With today's rate, you'll get about $210.
Okay, thank you. What if I exchange 100 euros?
The fee is the same, $5. You'll get about $103.
Why is the fee the same for 100 euros?
It's a minimum fee. Most currency exchanges charge a small fixed amount.
I see. Can I pay in euros directly at stores and restaurants in New York?
Usually not. Most places accept only dollars. Some big tourist shops may accept euros, but it's rare.
Got it. So it's better to exchange my money first.
Yes, that's the safest way. Do you want smaller bills or a mix?
A mix, please. Some 20s, 10s, and 5s.
Sure. Here you go. $210 in total.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay in New York.
Buying a subway ticket.
Excuse me, I need help buying a ticket for the subway. This machine is confusing.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I need to get to Times Square. I'm staying near Central Park.
That's easy. First, press Single Ride on the screen.
Single ride. Okay, done. What's next?
Now it asks how much you want to pay. I suggest putting at least $5 on it.
$5. Will I use all of that today?
Probably not. Any leftover balance stays on your card for the next ride. It doesn't expire.
That makes sense. $5. Should I choose adult or senior?
Choose adult. Senior and student options are only for eligible riders.
Adult. Got it. Now it's asking for payment.
You can use cash or a credit/debit card. Card is faster. Just tap or insert it here.
Okay, I'm tapping now. Oh, it's printing the ticket.
Perfect. That's your Metro card. Keep it safe. You'll need it to exit too.
Thanks. One more question. How do I know which platform to take?
Look at the signs above. Follow the signs for the red line northbound. That will take you to Times Square.
Red line northbound. How many stops?
About 6 stops. The train announces each station name along the way.
What if I miss my stop?
Don't worry. Just get off at the next station and take a train back. It happens to everyone.
That's good to know. Thanks so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy New York.
I will. Thanks again.
Flight delay.
Excuse me, I just got a message. My flight is delayed. Can you tell me what happened?
I'm sorry for the problem. Flight 789 to Los Angeles is late because of the weather.
How long is the delay? I have a next flight in Los Angeles.
About 2.5 hours. The new departure time is 7:15 p.m.
2.5 hours? I might miss my next flight. What can I do?
Don't worry. I can check your flight. Where do you want to go?
San Diego. I should arrive tonight at 10:30 p.m.
No problem. Since this delay is our responsibility, we can change your flight at no extra cost.
Really? That's good news. What are my choices?
There is a later flight to San Diego at 12:15 a.m. or a morning flight tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. We can also give a hotel ticket for tonight.
A hotel ticket? Where will I stay?
We have hotels near the airport. We pay for the room and meals.
I think I'll take the morning flight. Arriving at midnight is too late.
That's probably better. I will change your flight now.
Thank you. Will my bags go on the new flight?
Yes, you don't need to worry.
That's a relief. Can you email me the new boarding pass?
Of course. You'll get it and hotel info at the email you gave us.
Thanks a lot. You have been very helpful.
You're welcome. Sorry for the delay. Enjoy your evening at the hotel.
Thank you. At least I can rest.
Train ticket purchase.
Hi, I want a train ticket to Springfield tomorrow morning.
Hello. Do you need a one-way ticket or a return ticket?
One way is fine.
Okay. Do you want first class or second class?
Second class, please. First class is too expensive.
All right. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat would be good.
The 9 a.m. train is available. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. How long is the journey?
Around 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Will it stop anywhere on the way?
Yes, it stops at Oakville and Mapletown.
That's fine. How much is the ticket?
It's $28 for second class.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept debit and credit cards.
Great. Here's my card.
Thank you. Do you want a printed ticket or an e-ticket?
Printed, please.
Here's your ticket. Check that all details are correct.
Everything looks good. Thank you.
Your train leaves from platform 4.
Is there a waiting area nearby?
Yes, seats and a board with train times are there.
Thanks. Where can I put my large suitcase on the train?
There are luggage racks at the end of each carriage.
And is there a place to get drinks or snacks?
Yes, there's a small cafe in the middle cars.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Talking on the train.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, dear. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Are you traveling far?
Yes, I'm going to Springfield. What about you?
I'm getting off at Oakville. It's a short trip for me.
That's nice. Do you travel by train often?
Not very often, only when I visit my daughter.
I see. This is my first time on this train.
Oh, really? It's usually a calm and comfortable ride.
That's good to hear. Is the train usually on time?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes there are small delays.
I hope there's no delay today.
Me too. I don't like waiting too long.
Do you know if there are power outlets on this train?
Yes, each seat has a small outlet for charging phones or laptops.
That's great. Would you like some water? I have an extra bottle.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. The view from the window is nice today.
Yes, I enjoy watching the countryside pass by.
Do you know how many stops are left?
I think 2 stops before Oakville.
Oh, then your stop is coming soon.
Yes, I should get ready in a few minutes.
I hope you have a good visit.
Thank you, dear. I hope you enjoy your trip too.
It was nice talking to you.
I enjoyed talking with you. Safe travels.